Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up 1.1.1.1 DNS server for Windows 11. In this walkthrough, we'll change your DNS settings for your current Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. DNS, or Domain Name System, helps your computer translate website names into addresses it can connect to. Using 1.1.1.1 is a popular option because it can improve privacy and sometimes speed up browsing. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. This is where you'll find the network options needed for the change. Once Settings is open, look toward the top right area and click on the Wi-Fi section shown there. This will take you into the wireless network settings for your device. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal, but you're looking for the area that manages your Wi-Fi connection. Next, click on Wi-Fi to open the full Wi-Fi settings page. This section shows the details for wireless networking, including the network you're currently using and additional connection options. From there, click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Make sure you select the network you are currently using, since the DNS change will apply to that specific connection. This is important if your device connects to more than one network at different times. Now scroll down until you find the setting called DNS Server Assignment. This is the option that controls whether Windows gets DNS information automatically from the router or whether you enter it yourself manually. When you locate DNS Server Assignment, click Edit. This opens the panel where you can change the current DNS configuration. In the Edit window, find the setting that is currently on automatic and change it to manual. Switching to manual tells Windows that you want to enter your own DNS server details instead of using the default ones provided by the network. After that, turn on IPv4 and enter the DNS information. For the preferred DNS, enter 1.1.1.1. This is the main Cloudflare DNS server. If your screen also allows an alternate DNS entry, you can use 1.0.0.1 as the backup, but follow the fields exactly as shown on your screen. Take a moment to review everything before saving, especially the numbers, since even a small typo can prevent websites from loading properly. Once saved, Windows will begin using the new DNS settings for that Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. You've now set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on Windows 11. If needed, you can return to the same menu later and switch the setting back to automatic.